Welcome back. For special mentions, Gemini does have capacity for audio interaction. If we go to the top of the post, you're going to see that we can listen to Google's answer here, this area. 7 strategies for creating effective video tutorials. Video tutorials have become an invaluable tool for education and training. They offer a convenient and engaging way to learn new skills and knowledge. To create effective video tutorials that resonate with your audience, consider the following strategies. So in addition to being able to hear the query that Google generates, we can also enter our query using a microphone. For example, we can click on Use Microphone. You need to give Google use of your microphone. Combine this article with the text. Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country and mix the two together. So as you can see, you can both listen audibly to the answers that Google gives you, and you can also provide them audibly inside of your desktop. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.